So first, what exactly is Paperclip? Paperclip is a tool that lets you run a business or a team inside a business almost entirely with AI. Instead of using one AI chatbot to do one job at a time, Paperclip lets you set up multiple AI agents, give them each a role, and have them work together on tasks without you telling them what to do next. The best way to picture it is this. If an AI agent is an employee, Paperclip is the company. The agent is one worker, Paperclip is the whole office. The org chart, the goals, the budget, the rules. You set the direction, and the AI handles the work. Here's how it works in plain language. You create a company inside Paperclip and give it a goal, like produce a daily tech news digest. You hire a CEO agent, and that CEO reads the goal and starts making decisions. It hires other agents, like a CTO to handle technical work, a CMO for content. It delegates tasks, and the whole team starts working. Each agent wakes up on a schedule, checks if it has work to do, does it, and then goes back to sleep. Your company runs around the clock without you managing every single step. Paperclip launched in March 2026 and became one of the fastest growing open source projects in AI in just a few weeks. It's free, it's open source, and you can run it on your own computer or server. It's still early software, actively being developed with new features shipping regularly, so it's a great time to get in and start experimenting. We're running it on a virtual private server today because Paperclip is designed to run around the clock. You can run this on your personal computer, but that means it stops the moment you close your laptop. A server keeps it going 24/7, which is the whole point. Your AI company works while you sleep. And if you want to get fancy later, the same server can also host a website that your agents manage. We're using Hostinger for our server because they offer a one-click deployment template that includes a reverse proxy to make your connection safer over the open internet. I have a link that gets you an additional 10% off on top of any promotions they're already running. To get started, use the link on screen or click the first link in the description below.